What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video you'll find a lot of free education. Make sure to subscribe because every week I share some free education here on my YouTube channel. Now, as you know, I'm mainly a smart money trader. My strategies are based on smart money, but we need to talk about it for a second. Smart money has great concepts, but at the same time, as you know, 90% of traders are still losing money. And you might wonder why they're still losing money. Of course, psychology has a role in this, but also I will say that smart money by itself is not something that makes you profitable. The concepts are great, but by itself, they don't make you profitable. Actually, constructing and developing a system that works and has an edge on the market is what really makes the difference. I hope that you can really find the informations that you need in order to become successful just by looking at my free channel, but at the same time, in the description below, you can find the links to actually join my course. My course, both the 1.0 and also the 2.0, is included with any membership from the monthly all the way to the lifetime, or also there is the option to have some one-on-one lessons. So make sure to check my website and then I'll see you on the video.
I'm just not interested for now, but let's check it out. Gold just respected this. Overall, I would say that I'm bullish on gold long term, but I see some possible bigger downside, possibly to the 1500 level before continuing to the upside. I covered it some time ago that there was this strong liquidity area right here. This was all liquidity, and I called it some time ago. I called the manipulation to the downside. Now this happened. We might see price reach this demand around, as I said already, the 1500 area before actually printing new highs, which is actually what I believe that will happen for gold. So let's keep that in mind. Now, of course, this doesn't influence our intraday moves. On lower time frames, we can always find some quicker setups, and that's actually what I'm doing, since the current market conditions are not the best to trade on hard time frames. And US30, I'm just not interested. So let's keep a look on these things. Let's also keep in mind that GBPUSD, if it doesn't give confirmation, there is this bigger breakout structure, which is way more important than the previous breakout structure. This is a minor breakout structure. This is major structure, and this supply from here. We didn't check higher time frames for GBPUSD. Overall, we are bullish. So lower time frames, overall, we're bullish, at least in this move. Now, of course, if we zoom out, we are bearish, and there are many annotations here. Zooming out, we are bearish, of course. But zooming in, we were bullish on this current move, so we need to be careful. And we will just keep an eye on this minor structure that was formed in order to consider trades, either from this supply or this supply, which also should correspond to the opening price of the day. Let me check it out. Right here, yes. So I would like more this supply since it is closer to the opening price of the day. This is a concept that I'm implementing in the strategy. Why don't you open a funding company? That's a good question, because I don't have the knowledge in order to open it so far. I will need some good partners and some people to open it with, and some people that know the things that I don't know. I can bring my knowledge to the table, and I need some other people, to create the website, create the infrastructure to do it. And in that case, I would be glad to open a funding company. I just can't do it by myself. It's a company. It's not just me doing my thing by myself. But if I can do it, I will do it, of course. The high in NZD CAD in Asia range, do you think it will hold? The high was already broken to the upside of the Asian range. And this high, no, I put liquidity because I was seeing the price going up, and this is what's happening already. I was waiting for this high to be manipulated, and now we want to look for confirmation. What are the kill zones? The kill zones are, do I have that indicator still or no? No, I don't even have the indicator. The kill zones are the times in which we want to trade the most, which is basically after Asian range for the first 3 hours, basically. And then I'm talking about London time, and then from 12, so from here, from 12 to 3 right here, still London time. In case of a trade becoming available, will you send it to the Telegram group? Yes, of course, I send the signal for any trade that I take. Bro, let's make this funny. Let's open a competition, and who sends more setups wins. Well, I can open a competition, but not during this live trading. It would be a little bit messy. GBUSD, one confirmation now, 1 minute confirmation now. Let me see. Oh, no, not yet. Not yet. And also, this will be V confirmation, just up and down. I prefer to see better structure being created, so possibly coming back up, structure being created, change of direction, and we can get involved either in the first change of direction or in the second change of in the second confirmation to continue to the downside. What indicator are you using? I'm only using the Asian range indicator and the XL indicator, which is this one, to spot liquidity, and that's it. See, this really helps because we can already see that here there is liquidity. So we might possibly be more interested into this higher supply because this supply has also liquidity above it. So the XL indicator is helping us also spot that. Do you trade synthetic indices? No, I don't. I only trade the things that you see right here. All right. So as you know already, I'm looking at GBUSD, either confirmation from here, but it is not the best. Confirmation from higher supply, which corresponds to daily opening price, will be way better. Euro USD, interested in seeing bullish confirmation in order to enter buys. NZD CAD looking for sells if there is confirmation. We were waiting for this high to be taken out because here there was no confirmation according to the strategy. So we were waiting to go higher, and now we will look for confirmation on NZD CAD. Now, as I said already, there are some hidden supplies higher than that. So right here, there is also another supply which is above this one. And we can consider this supply or later the extreme supply. But anyway, it's good that we spot this liquidity. We know that it was going to be manipulated, and now we're just waiting to see confirmation to go to the downside. EURGB was actually interesting, but we might see a bigger push into this supply and then have a good confirmation. Now, when I say good confirmation, I mean the one that I'm showing on JPUSD. I don't like big confirmations, basically. Can you check Euro New Zealand? No, I don't trade it. Why bullish on EURUSD since we hit the daily bearish order block? No, I'm not bullish on EURUSD long term. I'm more focused on intraday moves. I can catch a move in, I don't know, 20, 30 minutes, and that's it, and then close the charts. I'm just saying that today, according to my setup right here, we have this hidden demand below the Asian range, and overall, I don't see this as a change of character. I see this more as a manipulation in order to tap into the demand. And if I see a bullish confirmation, I will enter some buys, some quick buys, and that's it. Then I will close the trade, and I don't care if tomorrow your USD will go down. Can you check USD CHF? I don't trade USD CHF. If you want, you can send your chart and I review it, but I don't trade it. So thank you for this live. Let me know if you like the fact that I go live randomly. Sometimes I just say, hey, today we're going live, and whoever connects. I will do it more times per week if you like it. Otherwise, I will just keep it at once per week. Let me know. Keep doing it, loving it. Okay, perfect. Please do it more often. Keep doing it. Please do it more. Okay, great. If you guys like it, we'll do it more times per week. I don't promise it because maybe some weeks a little bit more busy, but I will try to keep it as many days as possible when I trade and I'm on charts on my PC, on the Excel office, to actually send the link and trade together with all of you. Perfect. Thank you so much, and I will see you another day with another live. Now, of course, I will also send the recording so you can look at it and just get ready for next live and for the setups that are coming. Thank you.